Hey guys, it's Greg with Cadre. Tonight's discussion will be on a technique that I utilize with my iron sights and how I set my pistol up with iron sights to have the same benefits that you're seeing shooters with red dots. Stay tuned. Next, I got several videos demonstrating the target focus with my Glock with the fiber optic sight and showing you what you can and can't do with it, and hopefully it helps or sheds some light on a technique that a lot of people don't utilize or didn't know was out there, but it's something to work with. Okay, first of all, red dots is the ways of the future. You hear it. That's what everyone's talking about. It makes it so much easier, so much faster. But still, a lot of individuals, the older individuals or individuals with stigmatism or medical issues, still haven't went over the red dots. With that, I'm going to discuss a technique that I've utilized over the years because I ran irons for years, all the way up until probably about 2018 when I started going over to dots. One of the biggest issues you find out when you're transitioning over to dots is a learning curve. Well, with this technique that I've utilized with irons, the transition to red dot was simple because I was actually using the same concept with my irons that we now teach with red dots. Normally what we teach with iron sights is front sight focus. This is where when you aim in on a target, you're concentrating on that front sight. The target's blurry and your rear sights are actually blurry. So you hard concentration on that front sight to get solid hits. Now comes in the red dot optics, which first started on rifles and then we put them on pistols. Is the great thing, they were designed to have target focus, whereas the target is crystal clear. And with that, you can actually have more awareness of what's going on. So with a target focus, your target is crystal clear with a dot that is superimposed over it. You're not staring at your dot, you're staring at your target, and then the dot arrives there. Now, a technique I've utilized over the past, 20 years, instead of front sight focus, which I was taught earlier, but again, to me, it was more slower, and especially in a combat situation to where I have to see what's going on around me. You can't get tunnel vision, which I noticed I would with front sight focus. How I did that was, like on a pistol here, I transitioned everything over to fiber optics. Okay, I've got the rear, it's blacked out, and a fiber optic. And what I would do initially was when I'd install my fiber optics, I'd actually balloon it up. So what happened was it appeared bigger. It was appeared as a larger dot. And with that larger dot, I was actually utilizing the same technique, target focus, that you're seeing with red dot sights now. Whereas with the blacked out rear, it was already fuzzy, already blurry. My target is crystal clear, but when I come up and sight in on the target with target focus, the target's still crystal clear, but due to the fiber optic being bright, it actually superimposes itself on the target for me. right, guys, hopefully you learned something from those videos, those demonstrations, so it reflects that you can actually be extremely accurate and fast with iron sights utilizing target focus. Again, even at 15 yards, 25 yards, when I come up on target and the target is crystal clear, my fiber optic will superimpose over on that target just like my red dot does. So when it came time for me to transition, or I tried transitioning over to red dots, it was extremely easy, extremely fast. The only difference was now I had an actual red dot on an optic versus a lower riding fiber optic on my slide. Hopefully this quick video helps. If it did, leave me a comment below. Are you still utilizing irons, or has everyone here transitioned over to red dots? If you have transitioned over to red dots, what issues are you seeing? So if I can help in any way, again, just leave comments below. I try to answer every single comment. It may take me a while, but I'll get around to answering the comment. And in the end, guys, train accordingly.